Solubility of carbon. Coal powder, which is a non-crystalline form of carbon, does not dissolve in solvents such as water, kerosene, and cooking oil. This verifies that carbon is insoluble in all solvents. Reaction of carbon with oxygen. When coal is burnt in air, it reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide gas. The chemical equation is C plus O2 gives CO2. Carbon dioxide. Molecular formula is CO2, molecular mass 44, melting point minus 56.6 degrees Celsius. Occurrence of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide occurs in the air in the free state to the extent of about 0.03%. Exhaled air contains about 4% of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is present as a salt in chalk and Shahbad tiles, marble and limestone. Carbon dioxide is given out in the combustion of wood and the fossil fuel coal. How is carbon dioxide produced in a laboratory? Procedure: assemble the apparatus as shown in the figure. While assembling, place calcium carbonate in the round bottom flask. Add dilute hydrochloric acid in the flask through the Thistle funnel. See to it that the end of the funnel dips in the acid. Carbon dioxide is formed as a result of the reaction between calcium carbonate and HCl. Collect this gas in 4 to 5 gas jars. Carbon dioxide gas is collected by the upward displacement of air. The chemical equation of the above reaction is as follows. Calcium carbonate CaCO3 plus 2HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, gives calcium chloride CaCl2 plus water H2O plus CO2 carbon dioxide gas. Physical and chemical properties of carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide is a colorless and odorless gas. It is heavier than air. It does not support combustion. It is sparingly soluble in water and turns blue litmus slightly red. So it is acidic in nature. It can easily be liquefied under high pressure and can also be solidified. This solid form of carbon dioxide is called dry ice, which undergoes sublimation. Some more chemical properties of carbon dioxide CO2. Sodium carbonate is formed when carbon dioxide is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide. Sodium carbonate is also known as washing soda. The chemical equation of this reaction is 2NaOH plus CO2 gives Na2CO3 plus H2O, where NaOH is sodium hydroxide and Na2CO3 is sodium carbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is formed on passing carbon dioxide through an aqueous solution of sodium carbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is also known as baking soda. The chemical equation of this reaction is Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2 gives 2NaHCO3. When carbon dioxide is passed through water, it dissolves sparingly, forming carbonic acid. The chemical equation of this reaction is CO2 plus H2O gives H2CO3, which is carbonic acid. When carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, the lime water turns milky due to the formation of white insoluble calcium carbonate. CaOH2, that is calcium hydroxide or slaked lime, plus CO2 gives CaCO3, that is calcium carbonate plus H2O. Practical uses of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is used to make aerated drinks. Dry ice, which is solid carbon dioxide, is used in cold storage and also to keep milk and milk products and frozen substances cool during transport. It is also used for getting special effects of a mist in dramas and movies. Carbon dioxide obtained by chemical reaction or kept under pressure is used in fire extinguishers. Liquefied carbon dioxide is used to remove caffeine from coffee. Liquid carbon dioxide is used as a solvent in modern eco-friendly dry cleaning. Plants use carbon dioxide in air for photosynthesis. Regular fire extinguisher. A fire extinguisher contains sodium bicarbonate powder. There is also dilute sulfuric acid placed in a glass capsule. The capsule breaks on pressing the knob. The sulfuric acid comes in contact with the sodium bicarbonate and the two react chemically to release carbon dioxide, which comes out. The chemical equation for this reaction is 2NaHCO3, that is sodium bicarbonate, plus dilute sulfuric acid H2SO4 gives Na2SO4, that is sodium sulfate, plus 2H2O plus 2CO2. Carbon dioxide-based fire extinguishers do not cause corrosion and are non-conductors of electricity. Therefore, these are used when electrical and electronic equipment catches fire. Carbon dioxide-based fire extinguishers are used to extinguish small-scale fire. It is beyond their capacity to extinguish a big fire. In modern fire extinguishers, liquid and solid carbon dioxide is filled under pressure. On reducing the pressure, it becomes gaseous and comes out forcefully through the horn-like hose pipe. Methane, molecular formula CH4, molecular mass 16. Occurrence: methane occurs in natural gas to the extent of 87%. Decomposition of organic matter in the absence of air, anaerobic, produces methane. Methane is present in biogas. Methane is found in coal mines. Methane is found at the surface of marshy places, which is why it is also called marsh gas. On heating a mixture of hydrogen and carbon monoxide gases at 300 degrees Celsius in the presence of nickel, which is a catalyst, methane gas is formed. Fractional distillation of natural gas gives methane in pure form. Physical properties of methane. Melting point of methane is minus 182.5 degrees Celsius. Boiling point of methane is minus 161.5 degrees Celsius. It is a colorless gas. The density of liquid methane is less than that of water. Methane is sparingly soluble in water. It is highly soluble in organic solvents like gasoline, ether, and alcohol. Methane is in gaseous state at room temperature. Chemical properties of methane. Methane is highly inflammable. It burns by reacting with oxygen to give a bluish flame. In this reaction, 213 kilocalories per mole of heat is given out. Methane burns completely. The chemical reaction is CH4 plus 2O2 gives CO2 plus 2H2O plus heat. Chlorination. Methane and chlorine gases react with each other at the temperature of 250 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius in presence of ultraviolet light and form mainly methyl chloride, that is chloromethane, and hydrogen chloride. This reaction is called chlorination of methane. The chemical reaction is as follows: CH4 plus Cl2 in the presence of ultraviolet light gives CH3Cl plus HCl. Uses of methane. Methane in the form of natural gas is used in industries such as fabric mills, paper mills, food processing industry, petrol purification. Being the smallest hydrocarbon, the proportion of carbon dioxide released in the combustion of methane is small, and therefore it is used as a domestic fuel. Methane is used for the production of organic compounds such as ethanol, methyl chloride, methylene chloride, and acetylene. Methane gas was discovered by the Italian scientist Alessandro Volta between 1776 and 1778 while he was studying the gases found in marshy land. Biogas plant. Animal dung, dry leaves, wet garbage get decomposed by anaerobic microbes in a biogas plant. This produces methane gas, also called as biogas.